Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Vitai the Bean Crypto Show. We are seeing some craziness going on in the markets. We see presidents of countries like Argentina launching their own meme coin only to be dumped 95%. We see celebrities like Rick Ross is launching their meme coins. I mean, all this pump and dump that is happening in the market is really affecting a lot of people, and still we are in this consolidation phase and altcoins are a little bit bleeding this week. So let's see what's going on, what's hot in the market, and how you can best prepare for what is come next, because I do believe we're going to see another big leg up to the upside. So Bitcoin is still chilling and is $96,000 in about 100 days, more than 3 months of this consolidation period that we have seen on Bitcoin. And of course, it is the quiet before the storm. We didn't quite close this week on Bitcoin on a bullish note. It was not a bullish engulfing candle. In fact, it went down a little bit, but the bulls are defending. They're defending this support line. Failure to close above this line, of course, can lead to this all very important support of $92,000, which held multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, right? So it's very important level of support, which I do not believe we're gonna cross, but if we do, then the next legs down can take us all the way to $83,000, which is of course is gonna be even more painful to the market. But let's take a look at the stock market. Is doing fantastically well. The S&P 500 closed the day on the bullish note, and we see the Bitcoin dominance. Actually, this is bullish for the markets as altcoins started to gain a little bit of momentum here, and the Bitcoin dominance closed on a bearish engulfing candle. In fact, if you look here, this is the dominance on the weekly closing, confirmed bearish divergence and bearish engulfing candle. What it means is that the Bitcoin dominance went up, but the RSI, the relative strength index, is actually going down, right? So it's called a bearish divergence, which is good for the market, right? Bitcoin dominance going down, which will mean altcoins actually to go up, okay? So looking today, we have a confused market, some coins going up, some coins going down. On the weekly, we see Cake, Tel is going up, Super from the Phantom almost keeping going up. It's crazy actually how well this coin has been performing over the past couple of months. You can see craziness, like almost one of these coins that you don't understand why the hell the whole market is bleeding, but it's just, you know, there's some level of manipulation there going on, which I think that is gonna crash pretty hard. Looking at what happened this week, Argentina president-backed Libra token tanks 85% as team reportedly dumps $87 million. The Libra token absolutely dumped, and the president of Argentina shilling it, posting about it on Twitter on Friday, and very shortly after it launched, it actually dumped very heavy. Okay, so now they're gonna impeach him, and all of this is not healthy, you know. That's why we're seeing Solana is down a lot. I think that's part of the reason, you know, we're seeing Solana went down, because a lot of people lost money there on this Libra meme coin. Okay, so it's really not good, right? See quite crazy events happening over the last 7 days. We see the Near protocol, which is a layer 1, accidentally showing porn during the live stream. Near jumped 6%. We see Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin tweeting about communism. It's crazy. We see CZ, the founder of Binance, talking about his dog Broccoli, and then thousands of different broccoli coins appeared as a result, you know. And some developer cashed out $6.5 million after putting only $1,000. I mean, this is insane. And of course, the president of Argentina, Javier Milei, launching Libra. The coin pumps to $4.5 billion valuation and then crashes 95%. So insanity what is going on. Really, really insanity what's going on. And this is the same team that launched Melania token, they launched the Libra token, right? Welcome to crypto, right? Anyways, I'm not gonna go into all of this investigation into Libra. I hope you didn't participate. I didn't participate in Libra. Many people did. What is bullish right now in the market and I want to focus on? The SEC signals that it will drop the lawsuit against Coinbase, the largest company of the custody of Bitcoin. It works with BlackRock, which is the Coinbase. Dropping this lawsuit is a very, very good thing for the crypto market, right? Because it started in 2023 and now the SEC changed under the new leadership of Donald Trump. Also, SEC also acknowledges Grayscale, XRP, and Dodge ETF filings. Okay, so all of these filings of XRP and Dogecoin can be available easily to institutional investors, to big buyers. So I would take a watch on XRP, which is one of these coins that perform pretty strongly compared to the rest of the market. Let me see, XRP $2.67, right? It didn't dump as much and it's held in pretty good. Dogecoin not so much, but yeah, that's not the worst either. So I'll take a look at these coins because it is likely that the ETF are going to be approved. We see Tether CEO working actively with the US lawmakers to shape the stablecoins laws, which is of course a great thing. The more stability, the more it's going to be better for the entire crypto ecosystem on the stablecoins. We see more and more of these giant hedge funds popping up, like Millennium disclosing $2.6 billion in Bitcoin ETF, $182 million in Ethereum ETF. All of this loading that is going on. Michael Saylor suggesting US to acquire 20% of Bitcoin supply. Just imagine the kind of game that the nation states are going to start buying more and more and more Bitcoin. How much of money is going to be put in there? We see National Bank of Canada just bought $525 million of strategy. And of course, if you buy the stock of the strategy, MSTR, you're getting exposure into Bitcoin because that's all that they do. They just keeps buying more and more Bitcoin. We see Ripple starting a massive advertising campaign. You can see Ripple right now in some very, very popular areas. So yeah, pretty much $10 billion. Bitwise CEO says this year we're going to see more nation states buying Bitcoin, first gradually, then suddenly. So I think a lot of good things are coming to are going to be coming. The second largest pensions fund in the US, who owns nearly 100 million Bitcoin via MSTR right now. JP Morgan bought another 100 million. I mean, all of this buying of MSTR, it's positioning for the institutional investors and banks of the Bitcoin. So I do see another leg up. I do see that February not necessarily going to be a bearish month. And if it's going to be a bearish month, if it's going to close above $100,000, then March is going to explode to new all-time highs for Bitcoin, which will send Ethereum to probably like above $4,000. I mean, I do see a lot of institutions are loading up on Ethereum. If we're gonna close above $3,000 this month, February, if we're gonna close above $3,000, well, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna see Ethereum pop and create new all-time highs, which is fairly it's been due. If you look at Ethereum Bitcoin chart, it's been dropping right now, trying to find this support. Let's see. Let's look at the weekly. It's actually, trying to climb back into the zone here, but yeah, that's what I'm eyeing at right now. Keep some cash in case we're gonna drop, more, but I personally see there is much more opportunity right now. You know, if you're holding Ethereum, holding Solana, they're right now in a pretty juicy levels, pretty much at the supports, right? So you buy the fear and you sell on the greed. You buy the fear and you sell on the greed. Okay, so always remember that, and stay out safe out there. With don't be expose yourself into leverage, into some risky positions. Just stay level-headed, stay cool, manage your spot portfolio. Join the Telegram free channel. I have a free Telegram channel that I give you updates about what I'm doing with my portfolio, with my crypto plays. And I'll see you guys in the next video.